Yo, it's your boy, you feel me? Your beggar again. Today's Thursday, right? Today's Thursday. Finna hit the gym real quick like usual. Then we're gonna look at the chart afterwards, you get me? It's a brand new day, it's a fresh day, you get me? Get my mind right before you look at the chart, man. Because you know what I say. If you win the morning, you get to conquer the day, you feel me? So let's get it, bro. Yo, we beggar again, you feel me? Today's Thursday. Right now, one goal, one for a daily time frame. You get me? Time right now is 10:33 a.m. So firstly, let me show you what I'm seeing on the daily time frame before you can scale it down. Game. So as you can see, we have a fair value gap here. From here to here, this is a fair value gap. And what happened is the market opened here initially, went below, creating this week. You get me, to tap inside this fair value gap. You get what I'm saying? That's what I'm seeing on the fair value gap. So buyers, the market is being buying, so I'm not gonna expect sales. I'm gonna expect sales, but I prefer to buy because the market has been buying. It touched inside this fair value gap. It looks like it's rejecting here. You get me? It looks like it's rejecting here. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what I see. But on the 4-hour, on the daily, I'm seeing buys. You get me? So let's go to the 4-hour and break it down as well. So as of the 4-hour as well, what happened? Took out liquidity here, this high, took it out, came back below to take out this low. You get me? Creating a market structure shift, left a fair value gap here. But this one is important because it broke this high, and this one is also important because it broke this low. You get me? So we're stuck in between this one and this one. You get me? But the other thing is, it tapped inside this fair value gap. We have a 4-hour fair value gap here. You get me? So is the market gonna reject here to take the daily bias, or is it gonna create its own bias on the 4-hour? I don't know. You get me? Because we have liquidity on this low here and this low, so the market might try to reject on this fair value gap or this one to go below to take out this liquidity, or it might just go above and trade above this fair value gaps. You get me? So I'm just gonna monitor this and see how it plays out. And plus tomorrow is Friday NFP, so I'm not rushing anything. You get me? So let's go to the 1-hour. But on the 4-hour, I'm seeing this fair value gap. Let me just mark it out. I'm seeing this fair value gap here that broke the high. It's gonna play major role. You get me? I'm gonna label this inverted. Yeah, 4-hour inverted fair value gap. 4A inverted fair value gap. What am I doing, man? There you go. So you're gonna see how it reacts here. If it gives a rejection and show that it wants to go to the lower to sell side, then we're gonna look for sales here. So I'm expecting something. If it gives a rejection, then we're gonna go lower with it. How low, I don't know. Maybe this fair value gap, I'm not sure again. But because the bias of the daily time frame is buy, I'm expecting bias to at least come above this fair value gap, give a rejection here so that I can buy. And remember, this is the 4-hour time frame, so I'm not gonna wait for this 4-hour to confirm. I'm gonna go to the lower time frame and wait for confirmation on the lower time frame, how the market moves on the lower time frame. Again, how it moves on the lower time frame is gonna play a role. Let me change these things, man. Previous day high is here, where the market opened initially is here, midnight. You get me? Then we have the previous day low here. You get me? So that's what happened. It initially opened here, went above to this 4-hour fair value gap. So we're gonna see how it plays out in this fair value gap. You get me? If it rejects or whatnot, you get me? Let me remove these things. Just gonna wait for confirmation. See, that's gonna do what it do here. Go below, or it's gonna bring above here and retest here to confirm the buy. So game of the daily time frame. So that's what I'm seeing. I'm gonna end here on the 1 hour time frame, and I'll just update you if I take a trade and what happened, how I took a trade and what not you gave me. So yeah. We're back at it again, you get me? Right now, as you can see, gold 15 minutes time frame, the time is 6:27, you get me? So as you can see, we took our loss here, you get me? Price just took me out. Right now it's looking like it's gonna take the direction, but it's okay though. Let me just explain. As you can see, let me extend this real quick. So what happened is price left a fair value gap here after breaking this high, so you get me? It took out liquidity here. I thought it took out liquidity, that's what I thought at least. Apparently it didn't take it out because this is a double bottom. This is the real liquidity taken out. So my move should come here, not here, but it's okay though. In my view, it took out liquidity here, you get me? Sweep with a small wick, but it's a double bottom in this case, you get me? It's okay. Then it took out liquidity here, now it's driving above. So what happened is after it took out that liquidity here and broke this high, it created a market structure shift here, you get me? Let me remove these things. It created a market structure shift. Let me try to show the annotation so you can understand. Broke off liquidity here. Wait, this is 15 minutes. Just forget, you get me? Broke liquidity there. At least that's what I thought. Then it broke the high here, creating a market structure shift. MSS, you get me? So left a fair value gap here. Once it came inside this fair value gap, rejected, give me a bullish close candle. That's when I enter. That's my setup, you get me? As you know, that's my setup. It bought a bit, came back, took out this liquidity. Now it's looking like it's taking the direction it came. But as you know, we only take one trade per day. If it's a win, good. Loss, good. Break even, good. You feel me? With that being said, this is the end of the video. Tomorrow is Friday, NFP. We're not forcing anything. So yeah, man. Thank you for tuning in, and I appreciate your time again.